I'm speaking with attorney Jim Buckley about workers' compensation. Jim, let's start out by getting an exact definition of what is workers' compensation.
Workers' compensation is a system that's been set up by the state to provide injured workers with payment for all of their medical care and treatment, and to provide them a percentage of their wage replacement so that they're not destitute if they get hurt at work and out of a job.
If someone is injured at work and they get the medical attention that they need, what is it that they should do next?
The first thing they should do is inform their supervisor or their employer exactly how they got hurt and give them a statement as how they got hurt. And they also should do it in writing. And that's probably the most important thing that they should do, other than telling their doctor or whoever provides the first aid or medical care how they got hurt.
What is the most important thing that someone should know about workers' comp?
I think the most important thing, if you're on workers' comp, that they have to continue to see their physician to get periodic statements that they remain disabled. Otherwise, their benefits will cease, and they'll have a very hard time getting them restarted.
At what point should someone consult an attorney?
I think you should consult an attorney. If you're hurt at work and you report it to your employer, and if you don't get benefits right away, and you get a call from an insurance company who tells you that they're representing your employer and they want to take a statement from you and question you in more detail about how the accident happened, it's a pretty good tip at that point that they're considering denying your claim, and you probably should consult somebody, a lawyer at that point in time, to see what your rights are and to make sure you file properly.
If the insurance company approaches you and asks you questions and you do answer them without benefit of an attorney, how can that come back to bite you?
They're asking you questions for a specific reason, that they're looking for a reason not to pay you. At that point in time, you probably, if you want to protect your claim, you've probably at that point in time should consult a lawyer. You probably shouldn't sign anything until you consult an attorney, because if you make a mistake and you sign something that is not completely accurate or is misleading or is subject to a different interpretation, that could be used against you to bar your claim in the future as a claim that you made a material statement that could be considered a fraud by a court at some point in time.